What's up, guys? Hey, guess what? Yes, in front of me, this is the new M4 iMac. The box is big, so here, you gotta see all this. Look, I came to play purple, purple. You know it's purple because that's my favorite color, but we're gonna unbox this and talk about it. So let's just get a good look at this, right? The back, it shows the back. The front, it shows the front. Here's a fun little detail. Over here, this is a material, like a woven handle that is also purple. Like Apple, they're like, we're really gonna go all in on the details here. So let's, you can see the box from up top here. Let me rotate it around so that we can get it to actually open properly. And it's gonna be kind of tricky. You know what? I'm gonna stand up here because, help me. Okay, the tear pull tab is over here. So let's enjoy this one, okay? Woo. Woo! Longest tear ever. Oh my gosh, I had to go on my tippy toes for that. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna open this bad boy up right here. Flip this up, okay? Yeah! Oh my gosh, the box is always so big. I forget that. All right, we're gonna pull these two apart. We got the two purple arrow guides to expand this open, right, for the M4 iMac. And I believe I pulled this down a little bit to open up, and I'm gonna just remove this big boy. Oh, it's so glorious. Here it is, the M4 iMac. Let's just take it over on the side. Be very careful because the last thing I want to do is knock this over. Let's really quickly see if we can take a look at these accessories that are inside here, okay? So I'm gonna scoot this down so they fit in the shot right here, okay? We have obviously USB-C accessories this time around that are color matched with it. So here we go. This is the purple keyboard. Very nice here. And again, they're using a lighter tint of purple than they were with the M1 iMac and that series that launched, but it is nice. It's softer, but I do sometimes think like seeing it in person is always better than actually the images. Here's a USB-C to USB-C woven cable, all right? So this will be for connecting your accessories like the keyboard and the mouse, just in case you need to pair or charge things, right? That's purple. We have the Magic Mouse. Let's open this up. Oh, look at this. Oh, come on. It's like I'm living the dream here. Purple on the Magic Mouse, the metallic surface there as well, okay? Do we have any other color things? I don't think so. I don't want to get too out of control here. But yeah, I think we're good there, okay? We also obviously have the power cable here wrapped in cardboard. I'm so bad at this. This is a disgrace to you pristine unboxers. That's not what we're here for. Is it? Oh, I was almost psyching myself. I'm like, is this purple? No, it's not. It's just white. It's just a white cable. It's me reflecting off of it. Okay, good. And then obviously, I still love this. I remember from the earlier iMacs. Here is basically the power brick, and then this connector, it's still woven. This goes into the back end of the iMac, all right? So, and again, purple woven cable there. So sweet. Okay, so let's carefully get this box out of the way. We do have the little manual here. I think they got rid of the stickers. I remember everything, they kind of yeah. Oh shoot, I got all excited. It's purple here. That's just a diagram, a startup. Okay, so let's carefully, oh my gosh. Sure. Peekaboo. All right, let's take this box here and put it over here. Okay, all right. Here we go. The moment of truth. The new M4 iMac. I think I'll reveal it from this angle, okay? We have the accessories here. I'm gonna put these accessories on the side because let's focus on the iMac itself, okay? And here we go. I'm gonna pull. If you look here from up top, there's these two paper tabs I'm just gonna pull on. So I'm gonna take these down. Oh, it's pretty adhesive. Oh man. Okay. Let's remove the cover very slowly. Whoa! And there's the front thing on there for you all. But look here. Look at the back. Now this is the previous generation was like a deeper, darker, intense, like a really deep, almost great purple. But I do like this tint. It's still very nice. This shade of purple is still very nice. Let's do what we all came to do here. Oh. Woo! Did you hear that? That was sweet. And we have here, this is, if I'm looking at it right, yes, You may not be able to tell, but again, I'm going to try and make this hit the lights. This is a Nano-Texture coated freaking iMac. I love how matte it looks. And just to let people know, the bezel here on the iMac, it is still that white color. It is, the Nano-Texture just goes all the way to the white edge. And then you have here a 12 megapixel center stage camera. That's going to be new for this machine as well, alongside the M4. Oh, man, this looks really nice. Let's just show you the back end again one more time. Woo! Is that pretty? I mean, I know we're getting crazy about colors. This is still a 24-inch iMac. M4 chip inside, starts at 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, and then you do have the option to go up to a 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU. I would recommend for longevity, pricing starts at $1,299, but the higher end, at least base model 10-core, that starts at $1,699. This does come starting off with 16 gigs of unified memory, and then obviously that supports Apple Intelligence and all those features that are out right now, but also future features like the generative stuff like Genmojis and an image playground. I think no matter what, the iMac is still a beautiful piece of hardware. We saw all the different colors at Apple's Mac event over in Los Angeles that we ran through. I loved how those colors looked like as a family. For me, I mean, this is still the ultimate kind of portable desktop computer. When I say portable, what I mean by that is like, look at how easy this is to just carry around. So someone like in a family, you could put in like the kitchen or on the kitchen table or take it to someone's bedroom. It does have the ability to be a little more mobile than a standard desktop. Again, this is an all-in-one, Apple's most powerful all-in-one. Some people, I actually like the design element here. People are like, oh, get rid of the base, that lower bezel. Look, all the CPU and internals are basically down here. And to be honest, if you've looked at the history of the Mac and its iconic design, even the original Macs, they were shaped, they had that base. And I think that this is sticking to that heritage instead of, I actually wouldn't want my iMac to just look like a display. That's what a display is for. I think this gives it some character and personality, and I think that's also very deliberate. So this is just a really fun, quick unboxing, just to give you guys from up top just what it looks like. I'm gonna hold it and balance it. I mean, that just looks incredibly nice. You have the two-tone. The base of the stand is like a really soft light purple versus the upper area, which is a more intense purple. And then even this purple is a different shade. So you really have 3 shades of purple here. I did want to bring someone up here just for a point of comparison, right? This is the iPad mini purple. And if I look carefully, let me give it a shot for maybe for this top view. I think the stand, yep, it looks like it. The stand and this iPad mini, I think that these are the same. This is the same tone of purple. It's very light. It's almost gray looking when you compare it to the main backing of the iMac, but there you go. Same purple. I didn't know. I just wanted to check just to see what it was like. So very carefully bring this back up. People are like, why would you put your iMac on its face down? I'm just trying to show you what the metal looks like. But again, Nano-Texture coating, amazing. M4 chip inside. This is really going to be able to handle not only your basic stuff, email, word processing, web surfing. You can definitely do some video work on here. Yeah, it's not like the highest end machine, but this is a more than capable machine. It has Apple's media engine that tears through video. And I think if you're a budding content creator, quite honestly, bump up the memory a little bit. This might be the only machine that you need to get started and will last you for years, quite honestly. So there you go. First look at the new M4 iMac. Starts at $1,299. You can pre-order it right now. It'll be available on November the 8th. But yeah, purple, all the things.